Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 3 divide 6, then its whole divide 3 multiply 6. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. Okay, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so now 3 divide 6 can be written as 3 divided by 6, then its whole divide, the parenthesis 3 multiply 6. Okay, now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So here is one parenthesis and here is parenthesis. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Divide 3 multiply 6. Okay, now 2 divide 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. Okay, so now 2 divide 18 is equal to, now divide 18 by using 2. So 9 and divide 2 by 2. So here is 1. So 1 divided by 9 is the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 by 9. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.